Today we've got a vintage Homelite XL2 automatic, a great running vintage saw. We're going to start it up and let you see and hear how it runs. Starts and runs great, and the oiler is fully functional. You can buy this fine saw today for only $199.99 shipping included anywhere in the United States. That's right, $199.99 shipping included anywhere in the US. We ship anywhere in the world using eBay International Shipping. Be sure to click on the link below. You see it right down, yeah, underneath there. That's it. Click on it for more pictures and details of this fine saw.